The Omie OmieBox Up Bento box gives older kids a more grown-up version of the original design, with a layout that still encourages balanced, varied lunches. Its built-in insulated food jar holds a generous portion and reliably keeps hot meals warm through the school day, so pasta, soups, or leftovers are actually enjoyable at lunchtime. A removable ice pack lets you keep chilled items cool in the separate compartment, making it realistic to pack hot and cold foods together without juggling multiple containers. The sturdy stainless steel construction and thick outer shell feel durable enough for everyday school use, so it functions more like a long-term lunch system than a disposable box. Thoughtful details like removable seals and dishwasher-safe parts make daily cleaning straightforward and allow you to replace worn pieces instead of discarding the entire box. The updated colors and sleeker styling appeal to kids who have outgrown toddler gear, helping them feel more independent while still using a practical, well-designed lunchbox.